In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and do KuCoin.com. By the end, you'll know how to locate your KuCoin deposit address and use it on Binance to withdraw funds to that address. I'll keep it simple, clear, and safe so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your browser and use Google to search for KuCoin. In the results, look for the official domain and click through to the site. Take a quick moment to verify you're on the correct page by checking the URL and the security padlock in your address bar. This is a small step that helps you avoid phishing pages. Once you're on KuCoin, go to the Assets section. You'll usually find it at the top of the page. If the site asks you to sign in, do so securely on the official page. Inside Assets, find and select Deposit Crypto. This is where KuCoin shows you the deposit details for the asset you plan to receive. Every cryptocurrency and network has its own unique address, so make sure the asset displayed matches what you intend to transfer. If the page provides a memo or tag for certain coins, such as XRP or XLM, note that as well because it may be required. Use the copy button to copy the wallet address exactly and keep it handy for the next part. Now, head back to Google and search for Binance. Open the official Binance website and again confirm the URL is correct before proceeding. On the Binance homepage, navigate to Wallet, then choose Overview. This brings you to a dashboard where you can manage balances and transfers. From the Overview page, select Withdraw. In the withdrawal form, paste the KuCoin wallet address you copied earlier into the address field. Be sure the coin you're withdrawing is the same one shown on KuCoin's Deposit Crypto page, and that the network you select on Binance matches the network displayed on KuCoin. If a memo or tag is required by KuCoin for that asset, include it exactly as shown. Take a moment to review any fees and minimum amounts so there are no surprises. Many people like to start with a small test amount to confirm everything arrives as expected before sending a larger balance. When you complete the withdrawal, keep an eye on the status in Binance and watch for the incoming deposit on KuCoin. Network confirmations can take some time, so be patient. And that's it. You used Google to reach the official sites, grabbed your KuCoin deposit address, and used it on Binance to withdraw to the right place. Double-checking addresses and networks is the key to smooth, secure transfers.